SimpelERP is an open-source enterprise resource planning software system that includes multiple apps for accounting, HR, sales and purchasing, CRM, project management and more. If you are looking for an ERP software, you should consider our SimpelERP. Now, if you want to speed up your search, use our product selection tool to get a free short list of SimpelERP software recommendations. SimpelERP lets you manage your cash flow with easy-to-use bookkeeping features. You have access to customizable accounting dashboards so you can analyze various components of your business: check income, expenses, accounts payable. In real time, manage a chart of accounts entry, view, track, and maintain income and expense entries in your books, and send invoice and payment requests with automated email notifications and SMS reminders. Whether you cater to local or global customers, SimpelERP lets you manage transactions and multi-currency, automatically converting funds to your base currency. Other tools include auto-generated invoices for subscription orders, one-click bank statement sync for unlimited bank and cash accounts, and no-code forms with custom fields and auto-fetching for values. SimpelERP includes a HR and payroll system that lets you manage recruitment, onboarding and training, attendance, appraisals. The built-in recruitment tool allows you to plan your staffing requirements, post openings, review and store applications and email candidates. You can store employee-related documents and multimedia files and then share them directly or through a web link. A training module is also included that lets you schedule training events and automatically link schedules to employee calendars. SimpelERP includes payroll tools such as auto-pay, stub generation based on timesheets, expense claims management with approvals and customizable workflows, and integrated attendance tracking with options for real-time biometric hardware time trackers. Asset management. ERP provides a single tool to help you manage your assets efficiently. The Assets page lets you view all purchased or received assets and shows you their status in the lifecycle. You can also check on status, location, custodian, warranty, depreciation, movement, scraping, and moreover, the system has an integrated inventory tool where you can search by batch or by scanning a serial barcode. Other features in the Asset Management module will include automatic calculation of depreciation and creation of associated accounting entries, a one-click asset scrapping process, auto-calculation for asset value adjustment, and reporting tools. Let's go over a few pros of SimpelERP. SimpelERP works best for manufacturing companies. The basic core modules, accounting, HR, and asset management, come with an inventory management system to monitor stock levels, transactions, and pricing the system. The system also has advanced tools for quality inspection, stock reconciliation, delivery, projected quantity, and perpetual inventory. SimpelERP includes a customizable website builder that lets you showcase your branded products. It's already mobile-friendly with features for site optimization and e-commerce. Aside from contact forms, it also has a live chat feature. Furthermore, you can use it to create a customer portal with a login so customers can check the status of their orders or submit issues that you can manage using the help desk module.